Geopolitical tensions between India and Pakistan escalate, with both nations on the brink of war, significantly impacting military strategies and actions during this volatile period. The PNS Ghazi, leased from the US, emerges as Pakistan's most formidable submarine, marking a pivotal shift in the naval power dynamics within South Asia at that time. Amidst the internal turmoil in East Pakistan, characterized by oppression and a yearning for independence, the Bangladesh Liberation War unfolds, profoundly affecting regional stability. Indira Gandhi's diplomatic efforts seek to expose Pakistan's actions, but Western nations remain passive, prompting India to consider military action as a necessary response. The Indian Navy's aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, plays a pivotal role by bolstering India's naval capabilities, raising significant concerns for Pakistan during the build-up to war. India strategically diverts naval operations to the Western Front, effectively weakening Pakistan's defenses and rendering them vulnerable on the Eastern Front. India's intelligence efforts include intercepting communications to unveil Pakistan's naval plans, showcasing a proactive approach to national security that begins as early as September 1971. The Indian Navy successfully decodes Pakistani naval communications, revealing details of their operations, including plans to target INS Vikrant and disrupt India's Western Fleet. Captain Zafar Khan of the PNS Ghazi experiences frustration due to the shifting location of INS Vikrant, which complicates Pakistan's mission and highlights the challenges of naval warfare. Commander Indra Singh leads the mission, facing substantial risks, yet remains committed to ensuring the safety of INS Rajput and its crew, demonstrating crucial leadership in the operation. To reinforce their strategic deception, fake communications are dispatched to create the illusion that INS Vikrant remains at Visakhapatnam, effectively misleading Pakistani forces. As the operation progresses, the health of the PNS Ghazi crew becomes a concern due to prolonged underwater conditions, highlighting the complexities both navies face. Indira Gandhi's address calls for national unity amid the crisis, while the Indian Navy executes a successful strategy against PNS Ghazi, emphasizing the importance of leadership in wartime. The explosion from the sinking of PNS Ghazi is so intense that it shatters glass panes and creates widespread concern among local residents, illustrating the fierce nature of naval warfare. Following the sinking, the Indian Navy's operations with INS Vikrant substantially weakened Pakistan's military capabilities, leading to a series of successful attacks that highlight India's tactical advantages.